Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to connect your Moon's wallet in 2025. So make sure to stick around until the end and get started. The first thing you want to do is open the MoonBix app on your mobile device. You will need to access it through Telegram app. Also make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. Once it's updated, sign into your account. After logging in, you will be redirected to the home page of the app. Now you'll need to tap the option located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will bring up a few more options for you. Next, it will ask you to install the Binance application. If you have not already, go ahead and install Binance, sign up and complete the identify verification process. Once your Binance account is ready, you can bind it to the Moon's wallet. This allows you to connect both apps seamlessly. After you have completed the setup, head back to the homepage Moon's wallet. Here you can do daily check-ins and complete tasks to earn coins. Whenever airdrop launches, it will appear on Binance since Moon's wallet is tied up with Binance. And that's how you connect Moon's wallet. That's all for you today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.